My name is Jimena Lovelock, and I'm the Health Officer with the Washtenaw County Health Department. Welcome back to another COVID-19 vaccine video update. Unfortunately, I need to start this update by sharing that COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are increasing in our community. We have started to see over 100 new cases in Washtenaw County a day. And sadly, we've had 21 COVID-19 hospitalizations and 2 deaths last week. COVID-19 is actively spreading here in Washtenaw. Widespread vaccines will eventually help us lower the impact of COVID-19 in our community, but we aren't there yet. We're working as hard as we can to vaccinate as quickly as supplies allow. In the meantime, please wear a mask, social distance, and wash your hands often. If you're exposed or a close contact of someone with COVID-19, follow quarantine guidance. If you test positive for COVID-19, follow isolation guidance. These precautions will help us turn things around and keep our community members as safe as possible. As of Tuesday, March 23rd, the Health Department has given 41,259 vaccine doses. 78% of Washtenaw County residents 65 and older, and over 32% of residents 16 and over have received at least 1 dose of vaccine. Our vaccine data webpage is updated weekly on Tuesdays, so by the time this video is shared, these numbers will be even higher. Our pilot community outreach project wrapped up last week, and we're proud to share that we used all 2,500 additional doses of Moderna. These doses were used to support community pop-up clinics in areas of the county with high social vulnerability index. Though this project has finished, our pop-up clinics remain an integral part of our vaccination strategy. We will continue to have community pop-up clinics and work with community leaders and partner organizations to reach people directly. This week, we're filming our update at our second mass vaccination clinic in Chelsea. This site offers a more accessible vaccination option for our residents and community members on the west side of the county. We're excited to be expanding appointments at this clinic as supplies allow. We continue to prioritize vaccinating our Washtenaw County seniors. As a reminder, if you're 65 years of age or older and haven't gotten vaccinated yet, please contact us so we can schedule you for an appointment. On Monday, April 5th, all Michiganders 16 and over become eligible for vaccination. We're seeing some increases in our vaccine supply, but it is not enough to schedule everyone newly eligible right away. We appreciate your ongoing patience. We started using a new scheduling process on Monday, March 22nd. The new process uses online self-scheduling for eligible individuals and maintains phone scheduling for those who need it. We will no longer be using a pre-registration process or wait list for our mass vaccination clinics. We will continue to first schedule from our existing wait lists of eligible people. Because of this, new appointments for self-scheduling will be very limited in the coming weeks. Available new appointments will be added on Fridays around 10 p.m. and Mondays around 9 a.m. Appointments may also be added at other times throughout the week based on vaccine supply. If no appointments are available, please check back later. If you make an appointment with us and no longer need it, please cancel your appointment. This allows us to schedule someone else in your place. More details on this scheduling process are available on our website. As always, if you need assistance by phone, please call us at 734-544-6700. Please reserve our phone lines for those who cannot use online resources. You can also call 211 for general vaccine information. Again, we want to stress that it will take time to provide vaccine appointments as eligibility expands to such a large group. We will offer appointments as quickly as possible and as vaccine supplies allow. As a reminder, there are multiple places to look for a vaccine appointment in Washtenaw County. There is also an ongoing mass vaccination site at Ford Field in Detroit that is able to vaccinate over 5,000 people a day. There are 3 ways to register for this site. You can sign up online, you can sign up by texting END COVID to 75049 or call 888-535-6136. Check out our website for more information about other local vaccine options. Traveling increases your risk of spreading and getting COVID-19. If you choose to travel for spring break, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and others. If you can, get fully vaccinated for COVID-19 before traveling. Always wear a mask in public and avoid crowds. Get tested for COVID-19 1 to 3 days before and 3 to 5 days after your trip. The CDC recommends quarantining for 7 days when you get home, even if your COVID test is negative. If you don't get tested after your trip, stay home and quarantine for 10 days after you get home. Vaccines will help us end the pandemic, but it's incredibly important that we don't let our guard down yet. Stay on top of practicing COVID-19 precautions like wearing a mask and social distancing. Even if you're vaccinated, please continue to take these precautions in public and as recommended by the CDC and our health department. When it's your turn to get your vaccine, get vaccinated. Thank you for listening and stay safe.